hope you fall in the water. So, welcome back guys to another vlog. I know we haven't been posting a lot and I'm sorry for that, but just been busy, you know, with everything happening around, Corona, uni started again, and yeah, just a lot of personal things happening at the moment. However, I'm working on a new clothing brand, which by the time this video comes out will probably be launched. It comes out on the 30th of April. I'm actually on the way right now to go pick up some clothing for all the inventory and stuff. So yeah, see you after. Yo! Okay, so we just finished up with the print bar right now. We just went and picked them all up. We got about 4 or 5 hoodies, all black, because I got the pink ones yesterday. These are the test ones. I'll just show you real quick. They came out really nice. It's the AS color, very good quality. With the hoodies here. Check that out, look at that embroidering. Really happy with the results. So we'll get a lot more of these done. These are all just mainly like a test one, just to see how they'll turn out. And yeah, so stay tuned, check the link out in the description. And the website will be launching on the 30th, as I said before. So please cop some merch, help support. A few things are going to happen. We're going to be donating to charity with some of the profits. And yeah.
Bro, so good. Bro, quarantine is the best. We've got a pool here. Recharge, I don't know why. Apparently you put soil in the pool, but it doesn't make sense. We've got an ape here thinking he's doing work, but he's really not.
I'm a farmer, bro.
Yeah, that's it, bro. Whack away your dreams.
Just fuck off with your vlogs. You're not even gonna post this. If he posts this, I will, I'll jump into a pool.
I'll post it.
Wow. Getting Billy 2.0.
Let's be realistic here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the day he messages Kevin died, guys.
Whoa!
Wait, how many fish do you have?
5.
5 fish. What are their names?
4 of them are called Carol, and one of them's called Kevin.
Who named them?
At Charlotte
Joe
Williams.
Barton and Charlotte Williams.
Put up, guys, a simp.
Oh Charlotte, what do I name my fish? There's Dinkles over there still. What did he do?
Nothing, bro. Is Dinkle still talking?
Dad said that if I go get this, I'm gonna have the best fucking plan.
Why? Do a pool instead.
That's what I'm gonna do with my
You can get a jacuzzi in this.
Don't worry about parsley, bro.
This is when Hattie told me.
We have strawberry here. We have capsicum, some eggplant, some broccoli, some cherry tomato.
Yeah, that's it, man. You can't be a fucking biomedical scientist, you might as well be a dumb cunt.
The guy drops out of uni for 5 minutes and starts hammering stuff.
That's it, bro.
Bro, he's looking at me funny. Fucking dog looked at me.
There
Why
we
is my
go.
hammer in the dirt?
You got it, mate. I still don't understand why you're putting it. Look at this guy. He's the friend that just he's the friend that just holds the tool but has no fucking clue what he's doing.
I'm the guy that gets an A on the subject.
Listen, mate, you just keep editing videos, alright?
Yeah, listen, mate, shut up, Tony.
This
Why are
guy-
you hating on his craft?
Imagine wearing
No.
imagine wearing a singlet
You're so
that
off.
represents schoolies. It's the biggest drop kick here. He's definitely gonna be he's gonna be
It's
a
gonna make me
toolie.
lose at least 60 subscribers just that one scene.
No.
Oh.
Chill. I paid like $40 for that boat.
Bring me the golden horse! No one, Minecraft guys.
What do you mean no one? It's you, bro. It's not Minecraft, guys.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Bro, it's golden hour.
Why?
Come show us the hoodie.
What size is that? I got, what, wait.
That's your L.
No, what size is that?
That's a L. Yep. Just take it, walk away.
Ready guys, look at, and
Rise merch instantly transports onto your body. Whoa, this is sick. Hottest, softest merch in the game. what's the website?
Oh, right, risebrisbane.com.
Risebrisbane.com. Make sure you get there on time, on for the job. The website will crash if there's more than 5 of you. So make sure to go.
It's alright, we won't have a problem.
Anyway, how's it go? That was a shit joke.
Yeah.
Go get your merch.
That's actually really nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Only 6 hours late.
It's really nice.
Whoa.
Embroidered on an inbred.
500 at least.
Put it on an inbred.
Wait, come on, cut that, bro.
Thanks.
Guys, this makes you do handstands.
Well, let's go sit through the landscape. So what's the point of actually being here?
I don't know,
We missed golden hour, we missed everything.
It's all fucking cool people there. Through my head. It's not on properly, does it?
Nah, not at all.
Trying to move and Buster move. Wait, they're gonna think we're in fucking Alaska or some shit. It's fucking,
Yeah, you are. You look like you're about to fucking raid the place.
yeah, so what?
Coincidence.
It's a coincidence.
I got the camera here, took his Canon.
Can I show my nose or not?
You really want to, bro?
Wow.
I'm kidding, bro. It's a good nose.
Yeah, well, good thing I'm wearing this shitty merch anyway.
Yeah.
Rise.com.
Risebrisbane.com.
Fuck off! Buy a fucking proper domain.
We gotta change that domain. Alright, yellow. Just stand on the corner there. Because the sun's right there, so we gotta sort of work with that.
Oh, that one's good.
Yeah. What's that?
The video, the song they always pull for people running around. Have you not seen that? Fuck.
Skip the YouTube ads.
And you're in love.
If we're not getting monetized, we're not watching monetizations. I hope you fall in the water. Oh, what is this? Anyway, yeah, so a lot of cool things coming to the channel. I got a new car. I don't know if you've seen that on my Instagram. It's a 2006 Nissan Skyline. Cue the detailing video.
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me? Do you love me?
Shout out to them. He sponsored this video actually, gave me a full detail of the car. Awesome work, really recommend him. Ethan did a mad job on the car, it looks spotless. But yeah, you'll be seeing it a lot on the channel with new videos coming soon. I know I've been slacking off on uploads, but I'll make sure to upload. And I've said that before, but I will, I promise. Hope you're all staying safe because of what's happening around us at the moment. A lot of things happen behind the scenes. Got a clothing line, new car. Yeah, it's just everything's happening, but I'll make sure to explain it all later in future videos. But for now, thank you for watching this video and take care. Peace out. See you next time.
So is all of that footage blurry?
Yeah.
All of that footage?
Yeah.
So I spent 5 minutes talking to this stupid camera for it to be blurry. Yep. RiseBrisbane.com.
Oh, you finally got it! You finally got it! We don't have to buy the domain anymore. Saves me money.